Hey guys, welcome back to QURRAHTECH. Recently I have uploaded a I have uploaded a story in my Insta. I forgot my WhatsApp, so you don't have my number, so forget that. So I have uploaded a story in my Insta, also in my Facebook regarding I will upload a video on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So let us start. Hey guys, this is Rais Ahmed from QURRAHTECH. In this channel I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and tricks videos, also some unboxing videos like this one. This is unboxing video, okay, kinda, and also some tips and tricks videos which will be useful for you day to life, so you can rock the world through technology. So let us start with this. So this is the package that I received. As you can all see here, I think you can see it's very big. This is the this is the box that I received from the Samsung. As you can see here, it states watch, okay, now you can see it's watch 3, you can see here, and on the side it says Samsung smartwatch. Yeah, okay. And it also has a branding, kind of not a branding, it has a watch interface, which is kind of cool. And on the back side it says some kind of all that stuff, and it says also made in China. Okay guys. Okay, till now I think you have found out there is no seal here, nothing, just like open box like this. This is the watch. You can see here it has a cool interface. I have not linked my app through it, so it cannot rise to wake up. It has a feature. Okay, I don't want to get straight to the point. Let us go step by step. So this is the box that I received from a guy I have bought from him, and this is not a original Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. This is not a original one, it's a fake. You cannot say a fake, it is kind of clone. It's a first copy. He said me like it's a copy, it's a premium quality, it's a premium, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it kind of feels amazing on the hand, but I'm a bit short, I have small hands, but it's kind of big for me. I asked him 41 mm, but he gave me a 45 mm watch. It's kind of big in my hand, you can see here, but anyways, it is outstanding by looks. Okay, now let's start. Okay, this is the box that I received from him. I bought this for approximately 5,000 rupees. I'm opening the box. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, inside you can see here it has a Samsung logo, some kinda, and they also have a user interface for a fake model. As you can see here, it says the QR code, blah blah, that kind of stuff, and through this QR code you can scan and then link through the app. One thing you have to notice in this is that it cannot connect through the Samsung Galaxy wearable app, only through some kind of FitFly app. You can see here. Not bad. It's really cool. And you can see here inside it has a watch and some kind of boxy thing here. We can see, I think it's straps are inside this one, and a cable for charging. Yeah, it is, some say the magnetic cable. So let's check inside. Okay, and you have noticed I am wearing a watch here and also having a watch interface like this. My watch is this box. Okay, this is one of my friend who asked for me, so let me show you. It's kind of heavy in my hand. If I hold with my palm, it's kind of heavy, but if I hold with my wrist like a watch, it doesn't feel anything. It's like a normal watch. And you can see it has a some kind of paper material. I will remove this one and show you. As you can see, oh, it's kind of sticky. As you can see, the strap goes off and I have it on the watch, so I don't want to mess up with this watch. I will show with my watch itself how it's working and all that kind of thing. So just you have to power on by clicking the second button down here. You have to press and hold and it will start in a bit. So let's wait. As you can see here, it says hello, not a Samsung, it says hello. What is the meaning of hello? Yeah, it's a China product and it says hello. Okay, on the back you can see it has some blood pressure marking and SpO2, all the kind of stuff. But okay, let me open it and then show you. You can just scroll off, you can do this with the monitoring and it shows all kind of stuff. Everything is pretty good workout. Okay, blah blah, all the kind of stuff. Okay, let me just switch off this one, and because I have to give it to my friend, so I don't want to mess up with this watch. When I switch off also it says hello and then switched off. Okay, I will place it. Okay, it's not clear, somewhat I kept it inside. Okay, let's move on to another. Yeah, inside this they gave two straps. Yeah, one strap is the leather strap you can see I'm wearing here. This is kind of really attractive, really cool, not bad at all, very premium quality. Yeah, it's kind of looking amazing. And wait, let me open it and show you. As you can see, the main leather thing goes inside this package. Sorry, oh my god, it fell down. Sorry, it fell down, so I can't show you. It fell down, sorry. And you also have additional pair of straps. It's kind of rubbery thing, as you can see. Not bad, but you can also buy anything from Amazon. If you buy the original also, it supports that straps though, so don't need to worry about that. And then you also have a cable here, which is really cool. And I have not seen like this cable before in my life, because I have not bought a flagship watch like this one. Let me show you. Wait a minute. This is the watch here. As you can see, the some kind of thing. This is the magnetic thing, and if we press it, it automatically fits here, as you can see here. Wait, I will just show you. It's magnetic, and if I just click it inside, it just shows, and it gets charged. So this is really cool. Yeah, amazing. Just what to say, it's not a original, it's a fake, it's a copy, premium only, but they are giving like a flagship one for 5,000 rupees. It's really amazing. And I would like to say one thing is that many YouTubers or many salesmen who are selling this kind of fake watches, clone watches, they have put the video, the unboxing video. So I'm not going in depth of this unboxing video. So that's it. No, that's all. Nothing more is there in this unboxing video. That's all. Just the cable is there. You can see. Wait just a minute. I'm just lagging so much in this video. You can see the cable is there. The watch interface is here, and I have straps here. Sorry guys, there's been a lag here. So this is the user manual. Oh my god, they gave all kind of thing what to do here. It's really cool. Yeah, I'm very eager to read each and every manual here and then check in my watch whether it's doing correct or not. So they gave in Chinese and also in English, you can see here. So I didn't expect this from a 5,000 watch, that to a duplicate one, not a original. Amazing, super amazing. And this is the QR code through which we can download the app from the Play Store, or you can just do FitFly. You can see here, FitFly. Yeah, it's the thing, it's the app. And I have bought this watch yesterday. I'm doing a video today, so I don't have time. So today is Sunday. This is a lockdown. You all know very well in India, that too in Tamil Nadu. I'm in Tamil Nadu, I'm a Tamilian. Today Sunday is a lockdown, complete lockdown. So I have finished my prayers, that's in Ramadan month. So with my prayers and then doing unboxing video. And I will do a full review video on this watch, because many YouTubers do not make a full review video, complete review video on this watch. I will do a long-term review approximately after a month if possible, if not 3 weeks like that. So stay tuned. So to watch that video, you have to subscribe down here. If you want, you can like, comment, share everything. All YouTubers say that one. So that's it about this video. So if I wasted your time, sorry for that, because I'm just blah stuff all that kind of this video, so sorry for that. So that's it about this video. So to watch more videos and stuff like this one, subscribe down here. So and you will also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So I will update some important stuff in those and then come to this video. So see you next video. Before that, signing off, this is Ahmed from QURRAHTECH. Bye bye.